Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all one of my favorite dressings or toppings, and this one is for a garlic avocado jalapeno sauce. So to make this, we're going to put all of our ingredients into our blender. So mayo goes in, then I'm squeezing in half of a lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime juice. Next goes in 2 jalapeno peppers, half of an avocado, 4 cloves of garlic sliced, some salt to taste, and some sugar. Next, go in with the milk and then cover and blend until it's smooth. After which it will be ready to be used. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it on your burgers, tacos, whatever you like garlic sauce on. I promise you, you will enjoy it. I do hope you all enjoyed this very easy recipe. If you make it, let me know if you like it. Leave me your comments down below. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!